Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super cool eye zoom animations from any photo using DreamFace. This is quick, easy and completely beginner friendly. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the DreamFace app. If you don't already have it, just download it from the Play Store and then just install. And once installed, just log in with your Google account. And then don't worry, DreamFace will give you a free package with weekly credits so you can start experimenting without spending a cent. Next, after you log in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on the magic effects. Just tap on it, and then just search for iZoom challenge, this one. Just tap on it. Now just select or upload the photo that you want to use. You can pick a portrait, a selfie, or even a creative image. Just tap on plus button. And then just tap on confirm. Once selected, hit create. And okay, like this. Within a few moments, DreamFace will create a dynamic animation that zooms directly into the eyes of your photo. It will give your picture these cinematic, dramatic vibes that perfect for TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Short. And once it's done, just save your animations and you can share it instantly on your social media. And okay, that's how you make an awesome eye zoom animations with DreamFace in just minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!